Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool embellishment right here, and basically what this is an extra battery that's been put on top of this part right here, which is basically a portable power station from the ECOFLOW brand. So I did like a whole unboxing and setup process for this one. So if you guys are interested in that video, feel free to check it out. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. So once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the box looks like inside. So this one right here, they call the ECOFLOW Max, which is basically an extra battery to put it on top. And right here is basically the ECOFLOW River. So basically for the bottom part right here, we already have a battery which is 288 WH. And right here is another one. So when you guys combine both of them together, that will give you guys 576. But first, let me actually take this out to show you guys what's included inside. So right here, we do have a box. If you guys do open up, inside they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they also provide you guys a warranty card as well. And then right here, they do provide you guys for the screws that you can use to replace it. And they also provide you guys this tool for you guys to unscrew it as well. Or if you guys want to, feel free to use your own tools. Right underneath that, we do have a protection layer. And then right underneath that, we do have the portable battery. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the battery looks like on this side. Here is the side, and right here is the bottom. So pretty much the way how you set it up is actually very easy. If you see on the bottom part right here, we do have 4 screws. So one here, one here, one here, and one right here. You basically want to unscrew all of them and then put the battery right here and take this part and put it on the bottom. Let me actually take it apart and put it together to show you guys how to do it. So let's unscrew all of them first. And obviously when you guys unscrew it, you guys will make sure the product is off before you guys do it. So once you guys got all of them loose, you guys can take it out. And you see how it does come off really easily. So once you guys take out that part, you guys can put this on top. And when you guys put this part on top, you guys will make sure this side right here is right here, because that is basically where you can generate the battery onto the product. So just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once it goes all the way in, you guys can put this back on. And screw it back on. But this time you're gonna use a long screw, because if you guys use a short one, it won't fit. Especially if you guys want that support to go all the way through. Especially now that you guys do have an extra battery on top. Alright, so once you guys put back on the screw, now it's all set. You can see how we put the battery in the bottom. So let's try to turn it on. You can see how the battery went from 47% or 41% to 61%. So that basically shows you guys that the other battery that's in here, or the extra battery, it does work. But you see when you guys do put it in, everything works the same way. It shows you guys how long it can charge and etc. So what I'm doing right now is to plug in a cable to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do charge it. So you pretty much want to plug it on the side. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it is charging. So they mentioned how it probably will take around 1 hour to fully charge it. But now let's plug in some of the cables in here to show you guys what the product looks like if you guys do charge stuff on here at the same time. So the first product that I'm going to show you guys right here is a power bank that also works as a wall charger from the Anker brand. They call it 733. So we're going to plug it on the side right here, but you do need to turn it on first. So you see once you guys do turn it on and plug it in, you can see it does work. And you see in the front right here, it does show you guys that it's charging. And the cool thing about this power station is the fact that it does show you guys which output you guys are using. And you see on the bottom right here, they do have a light, which is pretty cool. But now let's plug in one more cable to actually test it out to see how the cable option works. So for the cable option, we'll use a Usbc to lightning cable. So I'll plug it in front right here. And we're gonna plug it onto my phone. And you see that does work. And when you guys do plug in the USB-C option, if you see in the front right here, it does show you guys that it's using the USB-C option. And then if you guys want to use all the different output and input at the same time, feel free to do so. You definitely have those options available. And if you guys want to turn on the light, that works as well. So I see when we do test out the product with the new battery inside, everything definitely does work. And it also charged pretty fast. And we see how it went from 61% to 65% in less than 5 minutes already. And if you guys do want to take out the battery, you basically want to do the same thing that I showed you guys earlier, where you guys unscrew it and take it apart. But obviously, if you guys do want more battery life, a longer battery life, you probably want to get the extra battery put on the bottom, or you can get any of the other power stations from this brand as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this power station by itself, it's pretty worth it already. But once you guys add that extra battery in the bottom, it makes it even more worth it. So that way you get 2 times the battery life on here compared to what you guys get originally. But like I mentioned, if you guys want a better and more powerful power station, they do have many other options available. And I actually reviewed a few other ones in the past before, so feel free to check it out. But for this extra batteries, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys already have one of these power stations. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.